Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage order fulfillment in Shopify using the NetSuite-Shopify integration powered by Excelym.io. Let's dive right in. The process begins when a customer places an order on your Shopify storefront. They add a product to their cart, proceed to checkout, and provide the necessary details. After selecting a preferred shipping method and completing the payment, the order is successfully placed. After the order is completed, it will be recorded in your Shopify admin dashboard as a new sales order. At this point, the Excelym.io integration app seamlessly takes over, automatically syncing the order details with your NetSuite account. Let's review and fulfill the Shopify order that is automatically reflected as a sales order in NetSuite. Open the sales order and review the details carefully. Once confirmed, approve the order to proceed with fulfillment. Click the Fulfill button on the sales order record, then verify all fulfillment details, such as items, quantities, and shipping information. Update the shipping status as shipped, then click Save. This will initiate the shipping process. Once fulfilled, Excelym.io will seamlessly sync the updated fulfillment details back to Shopify. This ensures that your Shopify admin dashboard accurately reflects the shipping status. Once the order is marked as fulfilled in NetSuite, Shopify will automatically generate and send a shipping confirmation email to the customer. This email includes tracking information and other key details about their shipment. To track the progress of your integration tasks, navigate to the Job Queues section in Excelym.io. This dashboard provides a detailed view of all integration tasks and their statuses, such as completed, processing, or failed. In this example, the status is marked as completed, confirming the successful integration of the following: Shopify customer data to NetSuite customer records, NetSuite items to Shopify products, Shopify orders to NetSuite sales orders, and lastly, NetSuite item fulfillment to Shopify order fulfillment. And there you have it. You've successfully placed an order in Shopify, fulfilled it in NetSuite, and sent the shipping details back to Shopify with the help of Excelym.io. This seamless integration reduces manual work, improves accuracy, and saves you time. Excelym.io features a user-friendly design with an easy learning curve, allowing you to independently manage or self-administer the data mapping fields independently. Whether you're updating or adding new fields or adjusting integration frequencies, the process is straightforward and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Once again, this integration is made possible with Excelym.io. Better business with better integrations.